Good evening, my dear friends. I am Ashwini Kumar from Mathematica, and here is a question written on the board. The question is from the topic of circles, and it is a previous year question asked in the JEE Mains 23. Okay, so let us first read the question. What the question states? The question states that a circle passing through point P alpha beta in the first quadrant. So we are given the information that the circle lies in the first quadrant, touches the two coordinate axes. Another information, that means x and y axis are nothing but the tangents to the circle at points A and B. These are nothing but the point of contacts. Now it is saying that the point P is above line AB. The point P is above line AB. The point Q lies on the line segment AB is the foot of perpendicular from P on AB. If PQ is equal to itna, then alpha. So as it is our general procedure to first of all draw the diagram. So we will be starting with a diagram. First of all, let me draw the coordinate axis. It will be something like this. Okay, the coordinate axis. Now a circle passing through point P alpha beta in the first quadrant touches the two coordinate axes. Okay, so we need to draw a circle. Let me draw a circle here. This is a circle, and then the coordinate axis. Okay, this is the coordinate axis. It is a bit tilted. Sorry. Yeah, this is the now coordinate axis. Okay, and these coordinate axis touches this particular circle at points A and B. Okay, so this is point A and this is point B. Now it is saying that passing through point P alpha beta, that means this circle passes through point P. Let this be the point P alpha comma beta, and now it is saying that the point P is above the line AB. So we need to draw the line AB. Okay, we need to draw the line AB. So this is our line AB and the point P is above the line AB. Okay, now it is saying the point Q on the line segment AB is foot of perpendicular from P to AB. So let us draw a perpendicular from P on AB. So this is a perpendicular and this point is known as Q. Okay, so now it is asking that if PQ is equal to 11, then alpha beta is, what is the value of alpha beta? Okay, so few things are to be noted here. Okay, few things are to be noted here. In the question, circle passing through in the first quadrant touches the two. Okay. Now let us say that the point P alpha beta touches the two. Yeah, let us say that the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. We may also write it like this, that see, from here if I draw a perpendicular like this and draw a perpendicular like this, then this will be the center. Okay, this will be the center, right? So this will be center, let us say h comma k. Okay, now one thing we may notice from here, that if the radius is a, this is a perpendicular. Okay, this is a perpendicular and this is a perpendicular. So if this is a, that means this length should be equal to this length. Okay, OA should be equal to OB. Why? Because these are the tangents from a common point. That means if this is equal to A, this should also be equal to A. If this is equal to A, this should also be equal to A. Why? Because this is parallel to this. Okay, this is parallel to this. Let us say this as C. CB is parallel to AO and AC is parallel to OB. So if this is A, this is A, this is A, this is A. Okay. Now, so therefore we can write the center as, A comma A. What is A? I am taking A as this length. Okay, the intercepts. Now if I want to find the, so I can write in place of HK, I can write in place of HK I can write in place of HK as A comma A. That means the center is A comma A. Now what I want to find the equation of the circle. So how can I find? Yes, I can write it like this: x minus A whole square plus y minus A whole square is equal to A square. Okay, because the radius also is A. This is the radius. Okay, the line joining the center to the any point on the circle. So this is our equation of the circle. That means x square plus A square minus 2ax plus y square minus 2ay plus A square is equal to A square. Okay, I think we don't need this particular equation, so let us remove it. Now something more information is given. Yes, the information is given that the point P is above the line, the point Q on the line segment. Okay, if PQ is equal to 11, yes, this information is given. PQ, the length of PQ is given to be 11. Okay, so how can we find the length of the PQ? Can we find the equation of line AB? Can we find the equation of line AB? Yes, by slope and intercept form. Okay, AB has two intercepts, A and A. So we can find the equation of AB as equation of line AB is x by A plus y by A is equal to 1. Now what will be the advantage of finding the equation of line AB? We can find the length of perpendicular from point P to AB. Okay, so if I want to find the length of perpendicular, that means I want to find the length of perpendicular from P to AB. So what I will do? I can write this as alpha plus beta minus A mod upon root under alpha square plus beta square. Sorry, there won't be alpha square plus beta square. See, here I can write this as x plus y is equal to A. And now if I put alpha plus beta minus A upon root under 2, the coefficient of x and y 1 1, and this is equal to 11. Okay, it was given this is equal to 11. Now what I can do? See, alpha beta point will also satisfy this particular equation. Alpha beta point will also satisfy this particular equation, and if I square this equation, then I will get a relationship. Here also if I will put in place of x alpha and y beta, then I will get a relation between alpha beta and A, and from here also I will get a relation between alpha beta and A, and after doing some manipulations we may get alpha and beta. So squaring this equation, okay, squaring equation number 2, squaring equation 2, what we will get? Alpha plus beta minus A whole square is equal to 1 to 1 into 2. Okay, 1 to 1 into 2, this line. Now the equation that we will get from there will be, first of all let me expand this: alpha square plus beta square plus A square plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha A minus 2 beta A. Okay, and that is equal to 242. And if I put this equation here, then I will, and if I place alpha beta in terms of x and y, alpha beta, because the alpha beta also lies on this circle, so I can get alpha square plus beta square minus 2a alpha in just below it I am writing, and after that minus 2a beta minus 2a beta. Okay, and y square I have written a square plus a square minus a square, that means 2a square. Okay, so plus 2a square, here 2a square and here a square, that means I will be getting 1a here. Okay, so a square and okay, now this is equal to 0. Okay, so if I subtract these two equations, what I did actually, I am putting alpha beta in this equation and I am subtracting it from this. subtracting it from this equation. So alpha beta cancels, okay. 2a beta cancels, 2 alpha a cancels, a square cancels. So what remains? 2 alpha beta, and here 242. So we can get as 2 alpha beta is equal to 242. From here I can simplify it at alpha beta is equal to 121. This is the answer, final answer, okay. So what I did, first of all, I derived the equation of the circle. In that circle's equation, I loaded the value alpha beta in place of x and y, okay, because the alpha beta lies on this circle. And after that I found the equation of AB, and then I found the length of perpendicular from point P to AB. And after that, the equation that I got, I just squared it, okay. I just squared it. Why? Because here the terms alpha and beta were of second degree, so I will get a expression of second degree from here. After that, what I did was just normally I subtracted both these equations, and finally I got the value of alpha beta. So let us first move to the questions. Yeah, the answer was 1 to 1 that I got, okay. So I hope this question is also from JEEmains 23, and it was a good question. So I hope that you would have liked this video, and in case if you do feel any difficulty in understanding the concepts, then please feel free to write in the comment section. Thank you.